All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Algorand family. You guys absolutely killed it with the support yesterday. Shout out to you guys. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. But I'm sure you guys are completely, in awe right now due to the fact that what Algorand has been able to do. And in the next few hours, if Algorand is actually able to close the daily candle, the weekly candle actually above this range, I think we could see Algorand doing something that not a lot of people are anticipating. Today is Black Friday. Usually we do tend to see sale on Black Friday, right? That's the whole point. But you're seeing the crypto market absolutely booming. And there's one specific factor for that, which we've been discussing on this channel. A lot of people were completely ignoring that, but here we are getting yet again a confirmation as to how important that specific thing was. And again, I will kind of highlight what I'm referring to. So Algorand is up 43% right now. Absolutely madness, with the price currently sitting at 44.14 cents. Also up 40% in Bitcoin, comparative with the market cap at about $3.6 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at $2 billion. So the 24-hour trading volume for Algorand has gone through the roof, guys. Let that sink in. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. As we know, we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance index pulling down quite sharply. And here we are yet again getting another confirmation. So Bitcoin dominance is heading towards below 58%. Do you understand how big of a deal this really is? We're seeing the dominance index going below 58%, guys. That is huge. And, of course, Bitcoin, on the other hand, is actually going up. And remember, I said to you guys in my last few updates, if you did watch them, if the price of Bitcoin starts heading towards all-time highs and we still don't see dominance picking up like we have seen in the past, I think that would be the biggest confirmation for an altcoin season actually occurring. And we're already starting to see a trickle effect of that. You're seeing a lot of utility projects that did not move absolutely flying. You saw the likes of XRP, you saw the likes of HBAR, hit new yearly highs. It tells you everything you need to know in terms of the momentum that we're actually seeing right now within the crypto space and how important the dominance index really is. And I think the month of December could be mega bullish for the space. But let's take a closer look at this. If you're looking at Algorand right now, you guys can see what Algorand has been able to do. Your boy Crypto ZX emphasized this pretty much since I've been talking about Algorand. You guys know I've been talking about this specific resistance. And guess what? Guess what? The price of Algorand is back above that key resistance for the first time since November 2022. And like I said, the next few hours are very important, because if Algorand price is able to close the daily candle above this key resistance, I think we could see Algorand heading towards, the 0.50 fibs, I'm sorry, not 0.50, to the 78.6 quite fast. And right now, after we kind of clear out this key resistance around, you could say, the 50 cents price point, it's pretty clear. I think it's pretty clear for Algorand price to head towards the 72 cents, 78.6 fib zone. And again, that would be a move of about 64.35%, and that would not come as a major surprise to me. With the momentum that we're seeing right now, things are about to heat up quite fast, and we could actually see Algorand taking over a dollar price point. I spoke to you guys about that dollar price point yesterday's update, and I think that could be that next target that could be coming quite fast. But a lot of people are not focusing this time around. Of course, you are seeing the Trump administration, and of course, country under Trump, which of course is pro-crypto. We're seeing crypto regulation coming. We're seeing clarity coming towards cryptocurrency markets, which a lot of people used to wish for. And you are seeing major demands into some of these utility projects that we have never seen before. And remember, Algorand is a US-based project. And look at the 24-hour trading volume. Speaks for itself. You have not seen this much buying pressure in Algorand even in the last cycle. This tells you everything you need to know in terms of how hyped these projects are, and of course the narrative as well. Layer 1, Layer 2 utility projects are pumping, and no one expected this to happen. And here we are. And I saw one comment coming in saying, oh, you're saying that the price of Algorand is still in the bear market cycle. Yeah, right. And I literally saw that. Come on, do you even understand what I'm talking about? And yes, believe it or not, if this does not sit well with you, we're still in the bear market cycle. What I mean by that is this accumulation zone below the 78.6, which is this blue zone, if the price is below this range, we are in this accumulation pattern, which still is the bear market zone. Once we crack past the 78.6, that level that I've been talking about, like a broken record, that's when you start retesting, levels that we haven't seen since the last bull market. So that's why, we're still in the bear market cycle. But that does not mean that can change. Like I said, the next main target that I'm looking at for Algorand, if it's able to close the daily candle here, I think we could actually see Algorand pushing to the likes of that 78.6 fib zone. And I think that would be a very, very big move for the likes of Algorand and could really trigger something that not a lot of people have been anticipating. So, so far, so good. I'm sure if you are in Algorand community, you are, beyond excited right now. You're making some massive amounts of gains. And speaking about massive amounts of gains, since yesterday alone, let me just tell you guys this on the hourly time frame. When I made the update, we were at 35 cents. So where's 35 cents? It was around this range. So if you got in around that range, you are up right now about 27.17%. And, we are retesting our resistance that we broke out for the first time since 2022. So 2 years was the last time the price was above this range. You don't understand how big of a deal this really is. And if we see that close today, I think more fireworks are to come, in my personal opinion. But let me know down below what you guys think. And of course, to anyone that has been accumulating Algorand, while no one was touching Algo around the 10 cents price point, you are up 300%. So lock those profits in. It's never too late, or have some exit strategy in place. It's really important. You don't want to be going into this bull market without an exit strategy, because you will get left behind. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.